So there's when it comes to warranties, a couple things I want to point out, and the big one is the fine print. Okay, so like vinyl, every vinyl manufacturer, by the way, has a warranty that says it's a no fade warranty. First off, use your brain. No one thinks anything's gonna last forever, and no one thinks that none's ever gonna fade. And so look at the fine print in there. A lot of them actually tell you they'll only cover excessive fading, which they'll give you like a Hunter scale, a Delta scale of like 2.5 or something. So to put things in perspective, that's like red to pink. Oh, unless red becomes pink in their eyes, it hasn't actually faded. But they have a no fade warranty. It's just not worth anything because the fine print. So that's the kind of stuff you got to look at. Like engineered wood will tell you that their product doesn't rot or swell or buckle, but they also tell you gotta be a 3/6 changing gap because it's gonna expand and contract. Like, well, okay, like you're telling me it's gonna move, it's gonna shrink, it's gonna expand. Water's obviously affecting the product. It's something to think about, something to note. Like the beauty of Hardie, I think, is, listen, it's got a 30-year warranty. And I've had clients say, well, engineered wood's 50. Yeah, but the difference is engineered wood is only non-prorated for 5 years. So it's 1,800 days roughly. Hardie's non-prorated for 11,000 days. So 11,000 is a lot better than 1,800. And so Hardie's warranty is 30 years non-prorated, twice the cost of material. It's transferable to the next homeowner. It's basically ironclad. If you install one piece of board wrong, they don't say, oh, the whole warranty. No, it's that one piece doesn't have warranty, not the whole house. And I've seen other manufacturers try to look for anything to kind of find a way out. Hardie really stands behind the warranty in their product. When it comes to installing Hardie and then the windows that we install and the doors, we give lifetime workmanship warranty. Meaning as long as the homeowner owns the house, we'll warranty anything to the workmanship. So if Hardie has an issue, their warranty will cover it. They'll cover it with the homeowner. I'm happy to come fix it for the homeowner, but Hardie will cover the cost of that, okay? If the homeowner drives their car in the siding, like that's not workmanship. But if we install a piece of plank backwards, if we caulk something correctly, I've never had a warranty claim, but anything that we did wrong, we come fix it, no questions asked, no service fee. And so, but the big thing when it comes to warranty is like, what are you actually getting? What are you actually believing the company is actually going to be in business? That's actually going to care? That's going to look for fine print or honor it? And then the second thing is like, well, you really got to look at like, again, the fine print of like no fade warranty, red to pink. That's the way they're determining or wording. It's super confusing and it's not really honest. It's pretty devious marketing.